I use this opportunity also to plead to the women of this country, because I know that my sister can carry the women along. She carried the women along when she was a governor's wife. So when she's a first lady, the sky will be her limits. She will carry us along and she will move us forward. We Nigerian women, we should come out in mass and support this government and support her. The sky will be our limits.
We have to give them an alternative. We have to give them a hope and make them realize who they are as Nigerians. You know, they shouldn't forget our culture. They shouldn't forget our traditions that really tell us who we are. We have to really go and nurture our children back.